Hi friends, today's topic for quick revision is nephrotic syndrome in children. Nephrotic syndrome is characterized by massive proteinuria, hypoalbuminemia and edema. Hyperlipidemia is often associated, and in some patients there is hematuria and hypertension. Causes of nephrotic syndrome: more than 90% of the pediatric cases are idiopathic. The other causes are amyloidosis, systemic lupus erythematosus, vasculitis, and post-infectious. Clinical features: first one to appear is periorbital edema, then generalized edema, ascites, hydrocele, hydrothorax, oliguria. The BP may be normal or elevated. Investigations: urine shows heavy proteinuria, that is 3 plus or 4 plus, low serum albumin, high cholesterol level in blood. Renal function tests are normal, IgG levels are low, IgM is high, and C3 normal. Management: first of all, high protein diet, no added salt. In case of severe edema, diuretics may be prescribed, and the mainstay of treatment is corticosteroid. Steroid therapy: for the initial episode, oral prednisolone 2 mg per kg per day in single or divided doses for 6 weeks, followed by 1.5 mg as single morning dose on alternate day for next 6 weeks. For relapse, prednisolone 2 mg per kg per day until the protein is negative or traces for 3 consecutive days, and then alternate day at the dose of 1.5 mg per kg for 4 weeks. Steroid sparing drugs: these are used in cases where high requirement of steroid or sign or symptoms of steroid toxicity appear. The drugs are levamisole, cyclophosphamide, mycophenolate mofetil, cyclosporin, tacrolimus, or rituximab. Complications: main complication is edema, high risk of infections, thromboembolism, risk of hypotension and renal failure, and features of steroid toxicity that are short stature, hypotension, osteoporosis, and cataract. Prognosis: children with MCNS, means minimal change nephrotic syndrome, that is the most common variant, usually have excellent prognosis, but the relapses are usual. Mortality rate is 1 to 4% because of infections and hypovolemia. Thanks for watching.